Oh.
Nagpaka-Mexican food sila.
Hi, vlog!
Kita na yung buhok ko. Hindi, 1,000 feet.
So, ito na siya, guys. Hi, guys. Tay. We're gonna eat here. Cafe 86. Whoa! He's a legend. Thank you, tita. Smile ka. O, diba? $20. Hi! I'm back at Columbus. So, nawala ako for 2 weeks dahil inilagaan ko ang aking extended family. The Avalon Palm. Nanganak kasi yung aking friend na si Jazz. At, ayun. Doon muna ako. And then ngayon I'm back kasi sa Monday may pasok na rin kami. Today we're gonna go sa go. Ako magdadrive. Let's see. So hello guys! Tignan niyo naman kung anong binili namin today. We bought TV. And also what's that?
Soundbar.
Soundbar. So yan. Tara, i-set up na natin. Kailangan yan lang kayo. Okay, so this one is the what do you call that? Ito yung parang ano ng Best Buy. Full brand nila. Oh. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo ganun kayaman. Hindi pa. So, dun lang muna tayo sa mga local brand. Okay. So, ito na yung bago namin surround sound. Yan. Yan. Magulo na. Kasi binuksan natin. Pero grabe, nafe-feel na namin yung kakaibang ano niya. Ayan. Diba?
Hello, Dr. Bowers at Shelby.
Oh my God.
I need you to administer more anesthesia.
Love it.
No, I don't have a dental problem.
Hi guys! So, bumili kami nito. Ito. LED lights. Ilalagay natin doon sa likod ng TV. Dahil meron tayong bagong TV. Yan yung mga small wins namin ngayon. So,
Small wins, big cut.
yeah. Lagyan natin ng ilaw sa likod para, di ba, may ilaw-ilaw, no? Bongga naman kapag nanunood. So, yun. Later, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Okay? See ya! So, ito na siya, guys. Meron na siyang LED light sa likod. I'll try to change the color. Ito, make it blue nga, be. You know. Oh, nice. I love it. Yay! Hi! Ay, picture to me siya. Going to school! Bobby's my driver, of course. Let's go! Look at the morning, guys. Alam mo, layo ng school yun, no? Dami ng tao. Siya na ngayon sa front desk sa umaga. Dyan ba si Luis wala na. Dati maaga din. Come on, say hi! I'm vlogging. Hi to my vlog. This is Mama Fitch.
So nice. You vlogger.
Yeah,
just
I
love
am.
you, Joy.
Okay, I'm gonna go in. See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye. You know what you should do? Oh.
Hi, vlog! We love you. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hello. Hi. So this is Eda. This is Miss L. Miss Carmen. And then Miss Chapman. Yes. Kara. Yay! We got a brand new car. Oh my God, what is this that we did? Joke lang. So we trade our car to a brand new car. So perfect. Yay! How does it feel?
It's surreal.
Yay!
Continue on Ohio 317
Ay, madigulo
south
pa.
for 2 miles.
That's the correct guy. It's surreal.
Sobrang saya lang.
So surreal. I can't explain the happiness, the worry. Diba?
Kaya mas malaki na siya. Tapos meron na siyang ganyan, CarPlay. Diba? So, we gonna go here. Go meet our friends. Ayan, coffee and high. Sabi ni Miles, of course, nagbablog siya. Yung mga friends ko, hi! Hi ka, ma! Sure ka ba? Tingnan mo, harap-harapan. Ayun nga pala si Michelle. We're here at Coffee on High. Siyempre si Bob, baka mag-agtampo. Tama mo naman ako. Tama guys. Iba talagang vlogger. Ganyan yung mga vlogger. Oo. Ayan, o diba? Yan si Miles. GoPro. Ay,
Ay!
Hindi, ano, Insta 360. Mas mura siya.
Uy, kita yung
Hello!
Yan.
Diba? Diba?
So nice. Di ba may mga fur-fur na ganun?
Ha?
Dapat maglagay ka ng mic.
Oo, meron akong mic, pero malakas
fur.
So, yan guys. So, pagupitan natin si Shai kay Miles. Sobrang kuripot niya. Ayaw niya mag-salon. Sobrang ready ni Miles. Meron siyang ano. Akala ko basurahan. Galing. Lodi. Hi guys. So, welcome back to my vlog. It's been a long time. So, for today's video, we're going to drive. Nagsiguro mga 1.5 hour na ba no? And then, para lang kumain dun sa Gabriela, yung Filipino food. Punta kami ng kabilang city, the Cincinnati City. Is that a city ba? Yes daw. So, yeah, tignan natin. And sabi nila may sa Pilipino daw, mga Pilipino, may term na break-in. So, i-break-in natin tong nakuha natin sa sakyan. So, yay! I'm so excited! Ano ba dapat? Excited na ako. Ano ba dapat?
I don't know.
I don't know. See you guys! Hi guys! So we're here at Cincinnati na. Pupunta na kami dun sa Gabriela. Kakain kami ng Filipino food, di ba? Kala mo di nagluluto ng Filipino food. Wala lang, na-miss lang namin. So, see you there! Ito lang. Guys, ito yung order ko. Para siyang chipotle.
Naka-ano siya na.
Ano masasabi mo?
Fusion. Iba yung menu nila ngayon.
Sorry. So, nakikita niyo ba yan?
Nagpaka-Mexican food sila.
Ah.
So, naka-burrito.
Yan kasi uso dito sa ano. Diba?
So, let's see.
Let's see, tikman na natin. We're gonna eat the fires, guys.
Ready to save it.
That's mine. Wow. So, ito yung akin, lechon, syempre. Nalagyan ko na
Kasi yun lang yun.
onion and pepper.
Kasi makalat.
Yeah? So, ito guys, we're gonna eat it rice. Isa yun ba?
Ang bukas pa akong
Matapos. Ano yung order mo? Pasabihin mo sa kanila. Kikita ka dito.
burrito.
Burrito. Burrito na may
Protein niya ay...
chicken inasal. So we're here. So the other side is Kentucky. Ha. Yun ang sabi nila. So andito tayo ngayon sa Ohio. Tapos pag tumawid ka ng bridge, may bridge doon. Mamaya punta tayo doon. May bridge doon, then Kentucky na yun. Ganon ang atake. Diba? Babi. Ay. Be, hi.
Taas na
It's a beautiful day. Kasi nga mag-ano ako, invisible ano ako.
Okay.
Ayan. Yung dalawa.
Oh my God.
Wait lang.
Hindi ka na mahaba.
Ganyan, oh, di ba? Ganyan. Invisible selfie.
So, welcome. We're here again in New York.
Hindi to New York.
It's just a Cincinnati.
Pero ang ganda. Buti na lang inaya kita
Pakita
dito.
mo na sa akin.
Wait lang.
Nasa Ohio tayo. And then,
Keep right tayo kasi tumatakbo si kuya. Yan,
Kanan.
guys. Kentucky, kapitbahay nila. Okay, mapakita ko na sa inyo. Okay, wait lang.
Manhattan Bridge.
Ganda. Keep walking. Be, hindi nga pala si Bebe nag-picture siya.
Hindi, 1,000 feet. Ang nakalagay dito.
So, ayan guys.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Manhattan Bridge yun.
Ganda dito, parang New York, pero mas konting tao.
Fairness, maganda rin pala sa Cincinnati.
Yeah. Tsaka grateful ako kasi hindi mainit. Ay, hindi sobrang lamig. Hindi
Tapos,
malamig.
hindi rin mainit.
Kasi actually, malamig na lately. So, ayun. Cheer tayo. Ayan, labas yan. Ayan na, oh. Ah! Daming ala. Siyempre, para maano naman natin, ROI naman natin yung Insta360 natin. So, ito yung bridge. Wait, pakita natin. Mas lumapit na tayo ngayon sa bridge. Mhm. Kaya ako may ganito.
And come over
Ang
here.
lakas ng hangin. Napoli. Yan, ang ganda. Yan siya, guys.
Yun din, ano natin yung scooter natin.
Sabihin.
Nakawalit yung night frame. Kararap.
But, yeah, konting ano lang, kwentuhan tayo, guys. Wow, sino ang kwentuhan ko?
Sarili mo.
Ayan, dito tayo. So, lately, may mga trip kami sa buhay na na-achieve natin. Yeah. Well, some of it na-videoan ko naman. Una, bumili kami ng bagong TV. Diba? May TV naman, bumili ulit. Hindi, wala lang. Bumili kami ng bagong TV. Tapos, what binili natin? May soundbar pa.
Soundbar.
Surround sound.
May meron na kaming good na center
Ah.
table.
So, disclaimer lang, ginagawa ko lang to para sa ano namin. Memories namin, pagtanda namin. Para mapanood namin. Mga ito. Ay, hindi siya hybrid. Anyway, na-distract ako. Tapos, ano pa ba yung mga wins natin? Siguro,
Ako pa yung certificate.
yeah, certificate niya na isa na siyang engineer intern
In training.
in training dito sa
First step.
Columbus, Ohio. Sa Ohio. And then, ako naman, sa work, naging ako, lead intervention specialist. So, di ba? So, sa
So,
mga future self namin. Para sana sinisip. Sa future self namin,
So, futures.
sana proud kayo sa mga milestones na ginagawa namin ngayon. Wala naman manonood nito. Ako lang. Kaya okay lang yan. Tayo lang naman. Tapos, isa sa pinaka namin, achievement namin is ito, yung bago namin sasakyan.
As you can see.
As you can see, bago na yung background, hindi na itim. Color brown na yung upuan namin. So, tinrade namin yung sasakyan namin. We traded our old car, which is the Honda Fit. Yung trade value niya, pwede mo sabihin?
Na.
Wag na daw.
good.
Cut ko na lang.
Good.
Pero it's a good trade. Good trade value. Tapos, ayun, nakakuha kami ng brand new car. Kasi yung una naming car, second hand yun. And then, yun, maraming mga good deals na nasara. Pero, syempre, madami ding mga bagong dapat bayaran. Pero okay lang, kasi sabi mo nga kahapon ito yung, diba sabi ng dealer, ito yung katas ng hard work nyo, ganyan. And then you said,
It's a symbol
of
another
parang,
hard work.
yeah, we gotta work harder. Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, we are the ones, we are responsible of our own life.
Mm-hmm.
And it's up to you if you want to make it miserable, if you want to make it, or if you want to make it better. Right? So,
Yeah. We're living
I think
the
it's
moment.
not, it depends on how you think of it, but for us, it's a symbol that with the presence of God and with everything is possible. We didn't even know 2 years ago, 3 years ago that we can afford
This kind
this
of,
certain
yeah.
kind of pace,
Life.
kind of life,
Yeah.
kind of, like mentally, financially, and everything.
Mm.
But yeah, so lately we've been
Very
this
blessed.
August. That's why we name our baby as August.
This car is August.
Yeah.
Pangalan niya August.
Our August was full of good and bad.
Good and bad, yeah. Away pa kami.
We had a
Rough days.
rough first start of
Mhm.
August, but again, it's they said love is sweeter second time around, or
Hindi,
after,
after
you fight.
fighting.
Love is, I mean, you appreciate more of your
Isa't isa.
your appreciation with each other.
Yeah.
So it reminds us that August is
A blessing.
it's a blessing. And
Yeah.
yeah, so we realize that at the end of the day, it's not us doing our own life.
Yeah.
We can plan it, but we can't control it.
Yeah.
So you just have to pray for it. Have courage to face everyday life, and yeah, the only thing that I can share, the prayer that I have right now is to have courage and strength and
English siya guys, sa English.
wisdom. Everything that we do with
Yeah.
every day, it may be in work, maybe
Yeah.
in finances, it may be in the decision making. Just have to take courage in everything, and I know God will provide, and God will provide those wisdom and courage.
Yeah.
you can do it. And you just have to take a leap and let God do everything. Of course, you have to do it. You have to do for yourself, but you have to. Sabi nga nila, nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang it doesn't mean na ipapasa Diyos mo na lahat. You have to do something. Alright, so that's why we named August our new car. It's a brand new car. It's a brand new start, and it reminds us that we have to work hard more, but it's more like anything and everything is possible in this universe, in this world.
Okay na.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yun
Sorry.
guys. Thank you guys.